Some strong wind gusts here coming up. By looking at those tall trees bending like that, that's got to be 30 to 40 probably mile per hour. That's real gusty. Man, long wind gust. And there's the creek under there, under all that brush. Another thing I want to show you is all the erosion where the pump was at is right here. It's like broken. So if it floods again, I mean literally this was all the way back here. And when that flood happened in February, it eroded it 2 feet this way. It's right on the edge, see? Right on the freaking edge. Terrible erosion. Go up here, look at some more terrible erosion. I mean, you're talking about, if that happens again, that type of flooding, this whole thing and probably this gazebo here is gonna go. See, look at that, how much damage it caused. And that tree right there is pretty close to it. It might eventually go someday too. Have to wait and see. There's a lot of brush in there to soak up moisture, so